Okay. From this angle. Yeah.
ปลอดภัยเยอะน้องเดี๋ยวถ้าเกี่ยวก็เบะดูเย่ๆนะเดี๋ยวสูง
Now let's keep moving down and have a look at the beautiful colors of autumn. Yeah, this is autumn. Going back to the truck now. Let me see. All right. You can go up there, madam. All right, let's go back. People are still coming. Let me see. Truck. It's okay. It's up here.
there is a whole bunch of
This is autumn in full swing. The sun is out, but it's not warm. It's cool. The weather is cool. Yeah. Beautiful weather there. What's that? Oh, never seen this before. Kind of traffic lights here. Interesting. Seriously? Okay. Ooh. I think that's gonna be the thumbnail. Right. Okay. That's another thumbnail, isn't it? Well, we can now move. Okay, I don't like this. Let me go down here. Better. Better. We're in the woods on top of Montreal. You're watching Sights and Sounds of Montreal, family. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright. Oh, there you go. Oh, not bad. Good. Okay. The young men are enjoying themselves. That was a good one. Yeah. Right. Okay. Well, see you in the next episode, family. Thank you.